Hey, what's up crypto fam? Welcome back to 1 in a Million, where we break down all things crypto in a simple, easy to understand way. Today, we're diving into the world of Solana Airdrops. Imagine getting free Solana tokens just for being part of the community or completing some simple tasks. In this video, I'll explain exactly what a Solana Airdrop is, how it works, and most importantly, how you can get your hands on one in 2024. Before we get into it, make sure to smash that subscribe button, hit like, and ring that notification bell so you never miss out on any crypto opportunities. You're sipping your morning coffee and you check your wallet to find brand new Solana tokens that you didn't even have to buy. That's the power of a Solana airdrop. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can get in on these exciting opportunities and why you definitely don't want to miss out on the upcoming airdrops in 2024. Let's get started. What is a Solana airdrop? First things first, what exactly is a Solana airdrop? Well, just like other crypto airdrops, a Solana airdrop is a way for blockchain projects to distribute free tokens to their community. Typically, these airdrops are done to reward early supporters, attract new users, or raise awareness about a new project built on the Solana blockchain. The best part? You don't have to spend any money to get these tokens. It's like a free giveaway, but in the form of cryptocurrency. Companies and projects use airdrops to spread the word, build engagement within the community. How to get Solana airdrops in 2024. Now, let's dive into how you can actually get Solana airdrops in 2024. Here's a simple step-by-step guide. Have a compatible wallet. First, make sure you have a Solana compatible wallet such as Phantom or Solflare. These wallets are necessary for receiving Solana tokens, and they're super easy to set up. Hold some Solana, SOL. Many airdrops require you to hold a certain amount of SOL in your wallet. This shows your commitment to the ecosystem and increases your chances of qualifying for the airdrop. Join the project's community. You'll often need to engage with the project on social media. This could include following them on Twitter, joining their Discord, or participating in Telegrams. Being an active member of the community can make you eligible for the airdrop. Stay informed about airdrops. Use websites like Airdrop Alert, CoinMarketCap's airdrop tracker, or join Solana-related Twitter accounts to stay updated on upcoming airdrops. You need to be early to get in on these opportunities. Complete any tasks. Sometimes, projects will require you to complete simple tasks like sharing a tweet, tagging friends, or using their DApp, decentralized app. Be sure to follow the instructions exactly to qualify. If you're finding this information helpful and want to keep up with the latest in crypto, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to 1 in a Million. Don't forget to turn on notifications so you never miss a new video. Drop a comment below if you've ever received an airdrop or if you're hoping to get one this year. Before we wrap things up, here are some additional tips for getting the most out of Solana airdrops. Avoid scams. Be cautious of fake airdrops. Always make sure you're getting information from trusted sources. If someone asks for your private keys, it's a scam. Don't fall for it. Watch out for gas fees. Sometimes, even though the tokens are free, you might need to pay network fees to claim them. Be sure to check that the fee is reasonable. Be patient. Airdrops can take time to distribute, so don't get discouraged if you don't see tokens immediately. Keep checking the project's updates for distribution schedules. That's it for today's video, Crypto Fam. I hope you found this guide helpful in understanding how to get Solana airdrops in 2024. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for more crypto content, and share it with your friends so they can get in on these free tokens too. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Until then, happy hodling.